my goodies, welcome to MSE TV Blog Talk Show. I'm Miss Sam, your host, keeping it real, keeping it jiggy, and bringing you the latest and breaking news. My dear child, this year one day though, I tell you, just mind who you get involved with as a relationship. Trust me. Anyway, if it's your first time, please hit the subscribe button, like, and definitely share and get the news out. Anyway, getting back to the point. No. There's a girl called Munchie in Jamaica. She have her baby father and everything. And you know, in Jamaica, you know, things rough sometimes. So you have to come off foreign to make ends meet. Right. So her baby daddy know the agreement was him come up to foreign, marry somebody for him, little green card in papers, and you know how it go already. Him still with him baby mother, but this person did agree to marry him to help him out, right, with him papers. It was an arranged marriage then. That's how it come across to me. Kuya, watch the ride now. The man work hard, take all sorts of kind of job. Cheap labor, work 24/7 round the clock to provide money for Munchie in Jamaica to take care of the kids and build up and take care of herself and put on some money. So when him do surface back, them have a little start. Right. Munchie not do that. Munchie don't do that. I'm going to tell you what Munchie did. Munchie take next cock, excuse me language, and go marry a next man. She not talk it over with her man. Yeah, you might be saying, well, he got married to somebody else. That was an arranged marriage. You understand? For the little green, a piece of green card. Not for love. Right? Munchie still I take the man money. She not tell him what say, listen, right now my body thirsty, you know, and you're not here. So me I gotta have a little side piece until you come back. No, she not do that. Just be honest. She still act like she not have nobody else. Take the man body, all in savings him send out there. Eh? Right. Almost mad the man. Till the man feels suicide and a ball. It's all over the internet. Eh? Him had a take him. He ain't no good though. Right now. Because of Munchie. And then Munchie now, she wants to say, well, he wasn't good to her and him used to beat her and all of that. Well, if that was the case, he should have left the man when he come up off her and tell him, say, listen, you're not ready right now. And you're a bit abusive. So, you know, it now work, Papa. So, whoever you marry, make it work out there because I'm getting on with my life. Just be honest. No. She'll get back at the man. Take the man money. Look good, fat up for next man. I'll take the money and probably marry out of that to this your next man in a Jamaica. What kind of something that? Let me tell you, people. Be careful what you do because karma is a bitch and it comes real quick. And it will bite you in your ass. Eh? Now, what y'all gonna tell your pitney them? What are you going to tell your pitney, Munchie? I don't know. Anyway, please leave your comments. And Miss Sam will get back to you definitely. Because I do read all my comments and I do respond. Anyway, take care. God bless. Bye.